Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a really good website where you can try out all the AI models for completely free. This website is called as Chat Playground. This is a really insane website that I found out directly on internet. It allows you to try out all the AI models such as Claude, Quen, Gemini, GPT. So this is their landing page. If you see chatplayground.ai, a number one platform for comparing AI models. So almost 40 plus AI models are there. This is actually some demo of this actual website. If you ask a question inside the prompt, almost concurrently four models will respond. This is ChatGPT, this is Gemini, this is Llama, this is Claude. So four models are responding to you concurrently at a single time whenever you ask the question from the prompt. I personally use this website for almost 2 months and I can safely tell you this is a perfect website for you if you are looking forward to save some time and concurrently use models. So right here you basically can save a lot of subscription fees by paying one subscription right here of $17 per month. You basically get all these models, 30 other AI models. The main ones Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Llama, DeepSeek. If you pay other subscriptions, you will get to 360 per month. So it will save you a lot of money. As you see, 56,000 other people have paid this. They have good positive reviews as well. So this is actually the creator of this tool. Have you see that they made this video for you, 10-minute video. You can go inside this and see this. They exactly tell you after you purchase the subscription, all the limits will be removed. You will be able to actually chat with all the AI providers right here. So a 10-minute video, demo video is there. You can watch this. I just recently explored this website 2 months back and I'm really enjoying this after the subscription. It is really saving me a lot of time as well. And you can just see right here. If you see the pricing here, the pricing is also very good. It also offers you 3-day free trial, no question asked. So this 40 plus AI models is for chatting, image generation, coding generation, video generation, everything. So you get all the AI models for just $17 per month and you can start your free trial as well. If you click the start free trial, you just need to enter the credit card information and then you can start your 3-day free trial. You can just cancel it if you don't like it. No questions will be asked. And after that, you can 3-day free trial is available. So just enter your credit card information and you can try this. Or if you want to pay it monthly, it will cost you around $29 per month. So really good tool, guys. Really do good. Chatplayground.ai. Once you click the, you can also have this affiliate program as well. So every time you can earn 30% commission as well for every paid referral. They do have the referral system as well. So definitely check this out, chatplayground.ai website.